Ingredients to make aloo chops: potato, onion, breadcrumbs, green chilies, coriander, red onions, eggs, turmeric, salt and oil. First add salt to taste to the potatoes. Then add the red onions. Then add green chilies. You can add less or more according to your taste. Add fresh green coriander. Now start by gently mixing all the ingredients together, blending it well. The potato should be nice and fluffy. Prepare the eggs. 6 eggs will be required. Separate 3 egg whites into a separate bowl and place the yolks on a separate plate. Now place 3 eggs, whole, on the same plate. Now let's begin with the stuffings for the potato chops. First add some oil to a frying pan, then cut up 2 medium-sized onions and caramelise till they're brown with a little bit of salt to taste. Then add some green chilies to taste, depending on how spicy you like your potato chops. She likes it hot. Then whisk up the eggs and add to the onions. Give it a stir. Make sure it's mixed in well. Make sure the heat isn't too high or too low. Once the eggs are cooked, sprinkle some coriander, as much as you like to taste. Also, before the VJ cut out, we added some turmeric to the egg mix as well. Now, using the potato mixture that you made earlier on, start preparing your potato chop balls. Fill in the egg mixture to the centre of the potatoes and using your fingers, fold over gently. Roll it into a nice ball and put it onto a plate. Now roll your potato balls in the breadcrumbs and place back on the plate. Do this with all your potatoes. Then, using the egg whites, roll the potato balls very gently back into the egg wash and back into the breadcrumbs to give it one more coating. This is to avoid cracking when frying in the oil and gives it a nice crispy finish. Heat the oil to a nice high temperature, then lower it to a nice medium temperature. Start by adding the potato chops into the oil, turning them frequently. Let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown. Make sure no cracks appear. If there's cracks, you put the oil on too high. to be crispy on the outside and soft in the centre. Now let's see what we've got inside. Delicious potato chops, freshly made. Enjoy!